Video I'm going to show you how you can turn on voice notification on FlashScore. So in my previous video we talked about notification in general, so this one is more centered to the voice control or voice notification. So let's do this. So in this case, when we get notification from FlashScore, it's going to be a voice rather than the whistle and all that. So now let's do this. So let's tap on the top right corner of our screen. You can see account there with the settings beside the search button. So we tap on that there, and then under the push notifications we go to voice notifications. On here you can see it is turned off here, so what you need to do is turn it on and then test it to see whether it's going to work. After testing it, you get to know it's going to work. So now let me test the sound and see.
Can you hear the test sound?
Good. So the test is working. So that's it on how you turn on voice notifications on FlashScore. So in this case, if you are doing something like you're driving or something, you can get voice notifications rather than a whistle that's going to make you feel curious to get to know what's going on. So that's it on how you adjust your voice notification settings on FlashScore app. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.